Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Favorn and today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. So I'm going to start off by showing you what you need when you're going to do the eyebrows. And yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to leave a comment. Yeah, let me know if it has been helpful. And this is what you call a spoolie, and this is how it looks like. If you don't have a spoolie, you can use one from an old mascara brush. And yeah, for me this is what I use. Or if you don't have any of that, you can use what you call a brush to put your eyebrows in shape. And yeah, if you're new, I would advise you to use a brown one, but for me I use a black eye pencil. So the eye pencil is used to line the eyebrows and also to fill them in after. Item number 3 you need is what we call concealer, and for me I use one from the Articast, though there are so many concealers on the market. For example, the EYEBROW concealer, you can use that. Another item you may need is what you call you call a brush. This is a flat brush, and I use it when cleaning my eyebrows. And is foundation. Yeah, there are so many foundations on market, and for me I use one from the BB Plus. Similar when shaping your eyebrows. So of course, how will you see what you're doing when you don't have a mirror? So let's start off. So guys, when doing your eyebrows, make sure that your eye pencil is sharpened, as you can see mine. And first of all, you start off by brushing them up with the spoolie. And then you come with your eye pencil. You start from the inner corner going to the outer corner. Draw a line from the inner corner going to the outer corner, and please, you should do this following the shape of your eyebrows. You go on at the upper part of your eyebrows using the same eye pencil. And please, if your eyebrow doesn't have a curve, don't draw it, just follow its shape, and then still use the same eye pencil to fill in. And then I'm going to use at the back side of my eye pencil to do this, in order to remove any lines. Eyebrow. To remove any lines, later make it look natural. And yeah, here at the inner corner, don't fill in with an eye pencil. You should just do this. I'm going to go on with my flat brush, and I'm going to apply some concealer that is on both sides, and it's what I'm going to use to clean the eyebrows. And I'm going to start near the inner corner going to the outer corner. Then I'm going to use the other side to bring the concealer downwards so that it can later be used as my eyeshadow base. Going to go on and use foundation at the inner corner of my eyebrows plus the upper part, and I'm going to apply it, and then smear it like this on my brush, and start from the inner corner going to the outer corner. And then I'll do the same at the upper part. And please, when you're doing this, start from somehow near here in the middle. That's why we use foundation at the inner corner and the upper part of the eyebrows. It's because it will later be easy when blending. In case you have have done any mistake, still you can correct it using your. And so now this is it, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Is using my brush, I'm going to go on and remove the excess concealer, and yeah, that's how you can do your eyebrows. So in case you have found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for today. Bye bye.